pieces. She's loaded up. Alright, this is a quick walk around of the new project MR2. Picked it up from Arizona, and she needs a lot of TLC. This wheel's definitely gotta go. It's on blocks right now because I'm dropping the fuel tank because the fuel pump is seized. Basically all that needs to be replaced. I got some big plans for this. It was gonna be a simple build, but then that changed. More stuff to fix. Definitely there's a lot of stuff to fix, but overall the car is good. Interior is clean, it's complete, everything's there. It should be pretty good. T-tops, yep, 3S GTE turbo. Let's go. Old school stuff right there. Check this out. Sway bar mounts in the front. They reinforce one side, but on the other side it's all cracked. So I definitely need to fix that. But yeah, this is gonna be a short video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick show of the car. Like I said, big plans. It's gonna have a wide body kit on it and plenty of other stuff, so it should be good. I'll see ya. Peace.